Hello friends, I am Sanjana Purohit on behalf of University of Technology. Today we are going to discuss the internet and its applications for upcoming basic computer vacancy. As you all are preparing of this examination, I am not going to teach you the subject. I am only giving you the directions for the subject preparation. So let's start with the video. As you all know, the internet is a global network connecting millions of computers. So, in today's session, we will discuss about the introduction of the internet, evolution and basic history about the internet, and lastly, the applications of internet. First is the introduction of internet. Or what do you understand by the word internet? Internet is defined as an information superhighway to access any kinds of information over the web. However, it can be defined in many ways as follows. First, internet is a worldwide global system of interconnected computer networks. Secondly, internet uses the standard internet protocol, which is TCP/IP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and IP stands for Internet Protocol. Every computer in the internet is identified by a unique IP address. IP address basically is a collection of some numbers, and it is a unique set of numbers which identifies a computer location. A special computer DNS, domain name server, is used to give the name to the IP address so that user can easily locate a computer by its name. For example, DNS, domain name server, will resolve a name www.tutorialspoint.com to a particular IP address to uniquely identify the computer on which this website is hosted. And the last point about the introduction of internet, that internet is accessible to every user all over the world. Next, we will discuss about the history and evolution in the world of internet. Firstly, the concept of internet was originated in 1969 and has undergone several technological and infrastructural changes as discussed below. The origin of internet devised from the concept of Advanced Research Project Agency Network, which is shortly named as ARPANET. ARPANET was developed by United States Department of Defense. Next is, basic purpose of ARPANET was to provide the communication among the various bodies of the government. Next point is, initially there were only 4 nodes, and these 4 nodes or computer systems were called as the hosts. Next point is, in 1972, the ARPANET spread over the globe with 23 nodes from only 4 nodes located at different countries and thus became known as the internet. By the time the invention of new technologies such as TCP/IP protocols, domain name server, World Wide Web, www, browsers and scripting languages, internet provided a medium to publish and access the information all over the world or all over the web. Next, we will discuss about the applications of internet, Or in simple words, we can say the real life implementation of the internet in various fields. As you can see in the given diagram, in the field of education, in the field of medicine, in the field of social networking, e-commerce, e-payment, job search, audio video conferencing, instant messaging, collaboration, in the field of security, and many more. So firstly is the electronic mail or email. First major use of the internet is email. People thrown to email for sharing the information, data files, photos, videos, business communication and any other files instantaneously with the others. This had enabled the faster communication between people and improved the business efficiency. And email has reduced the use of paper considerably and reduced the load on physical mail systems. Next is the FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. This is the second major use case for the internet in the early days that enables the data exchange between the two stakeholders over the internet media in a secure way. The data exchange may occur between two business entities or customers with business and vice versa. Next point is, or next real application is search engines. These engines actually locate or display the information one seeks or available in whichever server across the globe, or we can say World Wide Web. Google, Yahoo, MSN are the renowned search engines in the use today. One can search on anything on this website and the search question can be in any format. In fact, people have started using the word Google as a generic verb synonymous to search. Next application is the e-commerce. The internet enables the selling of goods and services in online mode. There are many e-commerce platform vendors like Amazon, Ola, who aggregate the several products, services available in the market and sell them through their portal to the customers. Products are procured by the platform vendors, stored in their warehouses, packed and distributed by them in their own brand. Customers get a good discount and they don't have to visit the physical stores, and it will save their time, money and some extra efforts. Next is online banking, or we can call it as the net banking. It allows doing banking transactions at ease sitting at home or while on the mobile. Footfalls in the bank branches have come down appreciably with almost all the services are available in the net banking 24/7. Any amount of money can be transferred instantaneously through this facility. E-banking supports the electricity bills, telephone bills and other services payments. Next point, which is more often relevant to the online banking or transactions, bill payment at merchandise outlets through debit cards, credit cards, UPI gateway are on the increase. Cash circulation gets reduced in the system to the extent of the growth of these transactions. It is growing by more than 50% every year and it is expected to grow by 10 times over the next 5 years. Education. The internet offers a wealth of educational material on any subject with the structured navigation and search facilities. One can seek any reading material and the internet will get it for them from any server in any part of the world. And people need not have to go to the libraries to go through the books. Those who cannot attend the physical or face-to-face class can take an online course where they easily get connected to the teachers in the other part of the world in video mode and get taught on the subject and backed up other audio-visual tools. Next point is collaboration. Online chat tools like Messengers, Skype and other video conferencing tools help people to get connected 24/7 and have a hassle-free business and personal discussion. This avoids unwanted travel by people and saves their time for productive use. The internet has also facilitated work from home with seamless connectivity to the office and avoid daily commuting. And last but not the least, the social networking. Internet connects people online and enables them to form the social groups. Information, ideas, views and opinions on any social political issues are exchanged, and the political and social organizations makes use of this platform in promoting their interest among the people. And some of the popular social networking platforms are given in the diagram as Facebook, Twitter, Flickr, YouTube, LinkedIn, Skype, etc. So that's it for the video. For sure success in this examination, follow this online test series link. And thank you so much everybody.